Hmm? Where, where am I? What's going on? Huh? My head feels all fuzzy. Mm, why? Why am I in this dark room? What is this? Is this some kind of basement? I, um, I, huh, huh. I appear to be stuck to a chair? Hmm. Oh, oh, someone's coming in. Um, hey, hello. Yeah, I appear to be, bound to this chair. Could you help me, please? Yeah, I appear to be, stuck right now. So, huh? You put me why? So that I could stay with you. Wait, does this mean y- you you own me now? Really? Yeah, I always wanted to have an owner. Hmm? What do you mean? Well, yeah, I didn't have an owner before. I was sleeping in the middle of the woods. How? Yeah, my I'm part of a family of wild ones. We have. I think my grandparents were domesticated. I'm not really sure. My parents are really against the idea, but um, I always wanted to, have an owner and have someone that cares for me and feeds me and stuff. And oh, you're gonna do that? Oh, that's great. Yeah. Well, I don't know why I'm bound to this chair, but it's probably some weird human stuff that I don't understand. But anyway, I'm really hungry. Can I, have something to eat? Oh, you're gonna get something for me? No, thank you. Oh, hey, you're back. Oh, fish. I haven't eaten fish in a long time. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you. Huh, um, there appears to be a problem. I can't really, move my hands. Um, oh, you're gonna feed me? Oh, okay. That's great. Ah, ah, ah. More, more. Oh, thank you. Huh, I can hear rain from here. By the way, where am I exactly? In your home, yeah, I kind of guessed it, but where in your home? Oh, in your basement. Oh, okay. What's a basement? Oh, it's room for storing stuff? Well, yeah, I guess I understand. I don't really have many possessions, you know, living in the wilderness and all, you know. Anyway, more food, please. More, yeah, thank you. Ha, ha, um, thank you. So, am I supposed to like do anything, or you know, I'm really not used to all this pet stuff. I don't even know why I'm in this room. I never really learned much except that it's something I wanted to do, you know. Oh, you want to pet me? Well, of course you can pet me. I mean, I haven't really been pet in a long time, but if you want to, of course you can. Um, I'm sorry, it's a bit awkward. I'm. um, if it's not too much you ask, like in this area right around my shin and yeah. Ah, that's nice. What do you mean it's not going like you expected? I mean, what did you think was gonna happen? Not important? Oh, okay. Anyway, so, do you want to do something together or something? I mean, it's now my first day as pet. I'm really excited. So, what do you want to do? Huh? Oh, you're untying me? Okay. I mean, that's good. Ah, how did you get me in here, by the way? I just sort of woke up here. Huh. You mean that food I found? You left the food I found today? Yeah, that kind of, you know, yeah. Um, huh. So that you could capture me and bring you to your home. Well, you didn't really have to do that. You could have just, you know, asked me. I would have agreed, you know? Didn't really have to go through all the effort of doing that stuff. Huh? Oh, 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 you're carrying me. Thank you. Ah, yeah. So, somehow, feeling a bit woozy now that you're carrying me. Um, oh, oh, thank you. You set me down. It's still a bit fuzzy in my head. I move. Ooh. So, what is it you wanted to do now? You just want to cuddle and pet me and stuff, and while we watch TV? Well, I never watched TV before, but I do know about cuddles and stuff. I have just never done this with anyone outside my family. So of course I'll do that. Yeah. Yeah. Um, hugging me a bit tight there. Why are you hugging me so tight? In case I try to run away, but why would I try to run away? I always wanted to be a pet, you know. Um, so this is basically a dream come true for me. I, um, uh, uh, well, it's just, it's even more awesome than I thought. I seem to have gotten a really great owner. I've, I've been here for just a little bit, and you've already gave me food and petted me, and now you're cuddling me. This is great. Yeah. Hmm. So, um, how is this gonna work? Am I just supposed to be here for like a while or forever? I'm gonna stay here forever? Oh, it's even greater than I thought. thank, thank you. Yeah, this is awesome. Yes, I seem to have gotten the best master in the world. So, what are we supposed to do now, day to day, you know? Am I supposed to just, do stuff like this with you? Or are you gonna, like, take me out on walks? Or, do I get my own bed? I always wanted to have my own bed. Being out in the forest and all. I, I only ever heard, stories about stuff. It's supposed to be really fluffy, and I don't get my own, but I thought everyone in houses slept in them. Where am I supposed to sleep then? I'm supposed to sleep in your bed? Oh, that's okay. That's great. So we're gonna cuddle while we sleep too. Okay. I mean, yeah, that sounds great. So we're gonna always be together, and like, yeah. I have a great owner. I have food. Thank you. Really love you, master. Thank you for getting me. Muzzle. Ah! you, 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 you touched my tail. Please be a bit careful with that. Yeah. Thank you. ah. I'm really happy I got a nice master like you. Thank you for watching my video. It's been a bit since I uploaded last. Life's been kind of hectic. I got, the virus and stuff. So not really have much motivation to do this until now. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Also for future reference, for more Neko videos, should I keep calling the listener master or should I call the listener mistress? Because I don't really know the proper stuff. If my accent is not any indication, English is not my native language. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, I would really appreciate it if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and all this other stuff. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. See you next time. By the way, I also now have a Discord channel just in case anyone wants to get into contact me for whatever reason, or if you're a fellow hobby voice actor slash messing around with stuff and you want to do a collab, you could also get in touch with me there. Of course, you could also do so over YouTube. Thank you very much.